Good morning everyone, so we're doing my first ever 4K watch unboxing, and to sort of celebrate that we're going to be looking at one of the Luminox watches. So let's get right into it, shall we? So initial look at the box, we got this sort of deployment style material and an overall style box. Again, sort of very simple finish, simple and lightweight, with a nice little lug here, just hold on to that, that fold over lid. So there you go guys, that is the side. So obviously the inside is cushioned with this sort of industrial waste type material. A simple sock just to hold on to that watch in there. Inside the actual underneath of the underneath of this cushion, you've got your sort of your international warranty card and the collection manual. So let's take this out of this wrapper. Got there in the end. So here we go guys, this is the Luminox F17 Nighthawk 44mm. It's got around about a 14mm case thickness, and is actually named after the 6442 Lockheed Nighthawk plane. There's two strap types you can have for this. You can have the sort of this quite strange looking strap, or you can go for the silicone / rubber strap. I think it's one of those. I think it's silicone or rubber. This particular watch with this strap retails about £1,300 from Amazon. I think it's the same on the Luminox website as well. I can't remember, but it weighs probably 190 grams. If it feels like more than that, it feels like easily 200 plus, and uses a Swiss quartz movement of a Ronda 515. So let's have a look at the face. Looking at the face here, the numbers we got. Obviously, the numbers actually come from the plane itself. So the Lockheed Nighthawk, those digits and the digits on the bezel are inspired by those the dials you'd see on the actual plane. Fully luminous increments, fully luminous hands as well, and they have a glow-in-the-dark function. When I say glow-in-the-dark function, they actually shine up without the need of sunlight. So if you were to keep this in a cupboard for a long time, these hands would still light up, and they've got, I think it's a 25-year glow life or something, but the guarantee only lasts for 5 years. And a nice GMT hand as well, just sitting down there with that date dial. Obviously, it's a very, very busy watch, lots of detailing, especially those dashes going around the inside of the face. And it is the one thing you do notice is the heavy watch. You've got full sapphire glass going over the top of the watch as well. So coming around to the casing, 316 standard stainless steel casing, probably with PVD plating on it. Look at the bezel. Bezel is a bi-directional bezel. So bi-directional obviously means going in two directions, not like a diver's style one. Nice sort. It's got that sort of feel that matches the style of the strap. So coming around to the crown. The crown's quite a nice stylish crown. simple wind down function that's very, very secure and very, very strong. I don't mean strong as in to turn, I mean the actual quality and the actual mechanism behind the backbone of it feels very strong. Second position, a decent movement to those hands, and as we see that GMT hand just moving around the face there. You should expect a decent crown really for over £1,000. So coming down to the strap, this is obviously quite a unique strap, and I don't know what to call it. So you can still adjust it. So it's got little tiny pins on the side for adjustment. Coming down to the buckle, got double fold over style buckle, as you can see from the plastic here. Obviously that's going to reveal more PVD casing inside there. Quite a nice shiny strap. Come down to the back plate. A nice screw down back plate with that Lockheed plane engraved in the back there. The usual sort of markings you might expect from the back of a watch as well. See if I can get that on camera. Full markings on there. And that's it with the watch on. So there we go, guys. That is the Luminox F17 Nighthawk 44.